Solving a system of equations in 3 variables is very similar to solving a system in 2 variables, except this time instead of dealing with lines, we're actually dealing with planes. That extra variable gives us a 3rd dimension, which makes a plane. So what we can think about is ways that planes can intersect. Okay? So imagine that the top of this box is a plane. Okay? So we have one plane that's just going horizontal on the bottom here. And we have 2 other planes. We're trying to figure out how these 3 planes can all come together. Okay. So one way that they could all lie is if they are all on top of each other. Now, there's no points where these all intersect, so therefore there would be no intersection of these planes. There'd be no solutions to this equation. Okay. Another way they could all lie is if they all are sort of form a triangle. Now, this triangle is intersecting the bottom. This triangle is intersecting the bottom, and these 2 are intersecting as well. But there's no place that all 3 of these are coming together. So again, there would be no solution to the entire system. Okay. What also could happen is if this plane intersects the bottom plane, so they would cross at this line right here, and this 3rd plane comes in at another angle. Now what's actually going to happen here is they all come together at this single point where this line meets this plane. So we would have one point as a solution. The last kind of scenario that could occur is, again, we have this plane going up and down, and this plane coming in as well, and they all meet at the same line. So we'd have these 2 crossing at the line and the same line being here. We'd actually have a line that would be our solution. So many different ways that 3 planes can come together. We could either have no solution, one solution, or a line. I guess the last way we could do, it happens from time to time, is actually if all 3 planes are the same. Similar if we had 2 lines that were the same line. If all of these planes are the same plane, that plane itself is a solution. So that's the last way that all these planes can intersect. So visually, that's how all these 3 planes can come together.